Good morning, Lil Gio Vegas here. Come with me as I prep at work. Manginabuhi sa ta, mangimo tag kape guys. Tara. Yeah.
Family Express. Kamusta ka?
So, pinaspasay because kailangan matapos lahat para at 6 we open. But if we're done, open na kaagad kami. Normally, today's Sunday, so it's fun day. It's gonna be a busy day because our store is a state, here is a state line. So, ano talaga, maraming tao na nag-stop by dito and grab coffee and put gas and then just leave and go. Ice coffee. Bored na mo guys. Sorry, boring akong vlog ba? Lingaw-lingaw lang good, you know. More of like having fun and then share my daily experience here in the US. Especially here in Las Vegas. Shout out sa akong family and friends in the Philippines. Labi na sa Cagayan de Oro. Mga kachada na ako. Hi everyone. Here's Panda here. Panda, can you say hi to everybody?
Hi. This is our morning routine.
This is our morning routine. Dali guys, mga pita. Mura ra baga pangapi ko, dili ra ba ko gapangapi. So, I'll show you. Mao niya mong espresso machine. So, every day, we need to calibrate this. Anak lang. Kayo guys, anong ginagawa nyo ngayon? Are you guys sleeping now? Are you guys working? I hope you guys are well. Enjoy lang sa life, you know. Happy lang. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
This is my partner in the morning when we open. Camera shy daw siya. Yes. Say hi mga kachada.
Hi, Kachada.
Hi kachada. I hope you guys enjoy my boring vlog.
Oh, shit, I almost fell. Sorry, guys. I almost fell.
Sleepy much? So every day ganito, prepping like, what should I say, 30 minutes if we don't have delivery. Pero pag may delivery, it would take like maybe like 45 minutes. So, sa mga curious lang, naadik taga Cagayan de Oro dahil ko, pero I'm now based in Las Vegas. Yeah, all my TikToks are not.
Hey guys, please like, subscribe. You better. Subscribe for more paliw videos of me.
Pan, look at me. Hey. video.
This is the main one video.
We're almost opening. Matatapos na kami.
I don't want to open. Don't show
Once we're done, we're gonna be slammed later, guys. Ganito lang kami ngayon. Happy-happy lang. Pero later, pagoda na kami. Right, Pan?
I'm gonna be slapped and slapped.
Well, I think we're ready, guys. We're gonna see you again on my next video. I know, parang wala. Yeah, next video, I'll see you guys. Ayo-ayo mo diya tanan sa mga kababayan sa Cagayan de Oro, especially. Mga kababayan ako diri, mga Pinoy sa Philippines, sa USA, all over the world. Ingat mo, permente. Ingat kayo, ayo-ayo mo. You guys take care. Have a great day. And thank you for watching my video. Kahit na boring, thank you. But, yeah, more videos to come until next time. Panda, you want to say goodbye then?
Yeah.
Peace, love. Bye.
Bye, guys.
See you. Pan. See you.
See you.
See you.